Hello there everybody. My name is Karson. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe and like button. Today we're going to do a quick review of this Kala brand ukulele. I bought this about almost 2 years ago and it's held up phenomenally. So I'd like to highly recommend this if you're thinking about a Christmas gift or a beginner's ukulele. I think that this is a great way to go. I've had cheaper ukuleles before and they did not hold for more than a year. And this is really good. I have two kids, one 5 and one about almost 1 year old, and they would play with this occasionally. Play around with it, drop it on the floor, and I tell you, it's held up pretty good. So I have not been able to change the strings yet, but they sound still really good. I use this quite often as well. So it being almost 2 years old, I really do like it. That's why I am making this video. Hopefully, if you're thinking about buying a ukulele, I highly recommend this. Again, read those reviews. There's other reviews on there on Amazon. I bought this on Amazon. So if you don't like it, hopefully they'll be able to return it. You'll be able to return it with no problems. Another thing I like this ukulele, it did not go out of tune as often as the ones I've had before. So that's another reason why I highly recommend this. All right, take care. Hope you like it. Thank you.